afternoon, class. This is Ms. Bell. I'm your instructor for English 122 with Southern New Hampshire University. And this is week 3. I want to talk to you this week about your journal entry number 2. The journal this week asks you to write a reflective essay on the week 2 discussion board. Okay, so one thing I want to go over with you guys just a little bit regarding the journals, not just this one, but all of our journals, is the idea that these should be short essays, okay? So what you want to do in that journal is compose a short introduction, a body, and a conclusion, okay? If you take a look at the guidelines and rubric for the journals, and you can find that under course information, guidelines and rubric, and then journal, all right? You'll see one of the boxes under critical elements, all right, provides a lot of credit for addressing the prompt fully in 3 or more paragraphs, probing one's own strengths and weaknesses in approaching the issue with highly meaningful examples from personal experience or research, okay, and that is the exemplary category. Proficient addresses prompt in 2 to 3 paragraphs, probing one's own strengths and weaknesses in approaching the issue with relevant example from personal experience or research. So, in addition to the prompt, what you guys need to do is look closely at the rubric and understand that when you're composing a journal entry, what we're asking for is a short essay. You don't have to write 2 or 3 pages. 1 page or a half a page might serve the purpose, but you do need to format that with an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Okay? The other thing that we want to note on the rubric, the guidelines and rubric, is application of concepts discussed in the e-learning material. Okay? Now, the exemplary category there, it asks you to share an example of relevant learning from course concepts using highly effective details to support the explanation. All right, that's the exemplary category. The proficient category shares an example of relevant e-learning from course concepts with clear detail to support explanation. So what we're asking you to do in that category of application of concepts discussed in the e-learning material is to provide concrete examples and literal and direct connections to your mind edge readings, which is some of the videos that I provided for you, or any other learning tool that I have posted for you in our Blackboard, okay? So what that means is in your discussion, you need to literally reference the e-learning material in some way. So I'm going to wrap up this short little video, and we're going to do a part 2 where I focus more specifically on the week 3 journal number 2. Thanks, I'll be right back with you.